Hey readers, today you went over what a book review looks like and you looked at a sample book review for a book called PSB 11 by Rita Williams Garcia. Um, Hopefully you started to notice some of the things that were included in a book review. She had part of the plot, which is your summary. Remember, in a summary, we're taking those big steps through a book. We don't have to tell every single detail. And you probably don't want to give away the ending in your book because that would be a spoiler. And you also might want to say something about your characters and you'll want to rate the book. So today you're going to start drafting and using a graphic organizer just to help you to make sure you include all of these parts in your book review. When you go down to writing about reading, you're going to see here is your book review sample that you saw already, but if you want to look at it again, it's there. And then you're also going to see an assignment here that's called Book Review Graphic Organizer. So when you go in there, you're going to open this assignment, and we're going to do the same thing here we did with the pre-assessment. We have to go to the three dots over on the right, open in a new window. And then once you have this opened in a new window, you need to wait for this little part to pop up, and you're going to annotate with Cami, which means we're going to draw on it and write on it. So this graphic organizer is going to help you to include your summary, some facts from your book, some evidence from your book. Down here, you're going to include your opinion, what I like, what I don't like. Here's your rating. And then who do you think might enjoy this book? And would you recommend this book or would you not recommend this book? Hopefully you're choosing a book that you would like to recommend because you think it's a good book. So again, we're going to use these text boxes over here. And then once you double click on that sticky note, you can start writing a fact from the book. So say we're doing Fish in a Tree. Allie is a girl who doesn't know how to read. And remember, if I want to make my box bigger, I can take these little arrows right here and stretch it out so it's as big as the sticky note. This is going to automatically save. See how it says saved here? If you want to undo anything, you just go ahead and undo. So again, I can make that bigger. And then this is going to automatically save, and it will be saved in your Google Drive in our classroom. If this pops up, you need to say allow Google Drive. And you need to do this. Okay, so now it's going to save to my Google Drive. All right, so you should only be using the text box. We don't really need to use any of these other tools today. So this assignment needs to be completed today. Please take your time with it and do your best. You're going to use this to help you write an actual book review. So this will help us in planning that book review. Happy reading.